Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having the question, and the question today is what number must be added to 8, 21, 13 and 31 so that it is in proportional. So for this we take out the number that is to be find out, and we take that is let the number be x.
So here we take that is let the number be that is
x. So we have just taken the number which is to be added to the all these four number, that is x. So here we get that is we add x to all these four numbers. So 8 plus x ratio 21 plus x, and that is in the proportional. So here it says that it is in proportion, so we have just taken it in proportion. And here the next number we are having, that is 13 plus x. So we are adding it with the number plus x ratio 31 plus x, 31 plus x. And now we will solve out to find out the number, and that is x. So for this, this multiplies by this, and this portion with this. So and for this we take that is 8 plus x multiply by the last number 31 plus x is equal to 21 plus x, and it multiply with this digit, so 13 plus x. I hope till here you have completely understood. And this becomes that is 8 multiplied by 31. First we multiply 8 by the first digit of the second bracket, and this becomes that is 8 multiplied by 31, that is 248 plus now 8 by this second digit, and this becomes that is 8x. And now for the second number, that is x multiplied by 31, that is 31x, and x by x, that is x square, is equal to, and now for this 21 by 13, after multiplying it we get the answer, that is 273, and 21 by x, that is 21x. Now plus, so here we are having plus, and we have just taken out plus. Now x multiplied by 13, we get here the answer, that is 13x, and plus x by x, that is x square. So we have just found and multiplied the whole brackets, and now this x square and x squares cancels out with each other, and we get here the answer, that is 248 plus now 8x by 31x, that is 39x, is equal to 273 plus now 21x plus 13x, we get the answer, that is 34x. I hope till here you have completely understood. Now this is x, and here also x, so we take that is 39x, and this portion goes this side, becomes minus 34x, is equal to, so this is 273, and this 248 goes this side, becomes minus 248, and now we get 39 minus 34, we get here, that is 5x, is equal to, now 273 minus by 248, we get here, that is 25, and x is equal to 25 divided by 5. So 5 ones are and 5 5s are, that is 25. So here we have got our number that is proportional to all these four numbers, that is x is equal to 5, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.